Hello friends, in last videos we have seen a play, the funny story of the Andheri Nagari and Chaupat Raja, that means king, and his judgment, that means justice. But at last, how did a sage, a holy wise sage, saved the life of his disciple and saved the country, total country, from the bad rule of the king. And today we are going to see it's a workshop, that means a play workshop part first. Here in the first question they have asked here, see that here you have also, it is better for you to open your book on page number 59. So let's see English workshop. First question is here. List the characters that have appeared so far in the play. In this play, there are many characters are there. Mainly, first is that guard, then disciple, then king, then merchant, then bricklayer, mortar maker, potter, daughter. In this way, these characters are included in first part. Then second question is also the same is there. List all the different titles they use to address the king. Means in our culture, in our Indian culture, in respect of elders and some special person, here in this story also, king means he is a special person, and for the special person that different titles are given in respect of that person, special person. So in this story also we can see many titles for the king. Here some examples I am giving, and remaining examples you have to find out by reading the play again. See that here some examples: royal, then next noble, then lord. In this way you have to find out some another examples from this play. Then third question is here. Copy the explanations from the play. Here in bracket that here it is given at least 5. Means exclamation means it is exclamatory sentence. It is generally, I am telling, generally if there is that exclamatory mark, that sentence means it is exclamatory sentence, that is exclamations. So it is simple way to find out that what is explanations. Here I am giving some examples, remaining you have to find out. Yeah, and even it is very simple to find out. Example means here, then here mercy, O noble king, that is. And then second example is here, how boring, means here you can see exclamatory mark, so these are exclamations. In this way you have to find out, many examples are given, you have to find out your own some examples. Then fourth question, let's turn that, copy the orders that is given in bracket imperative sentences from the play. Imperative sentence, that means generally it is very simple way to understand. Imperative sentence means such a sentence which begins with that main verb. Simply means it is action word. Simply that. For example here, let the court started. In this way even you can see that some example also, that king gave order, bring the money lender's daughter here. This very instance means here in this way there are many examples that you can see. Another example here I am telling here. Summon the mortar maker at once. Summon, that bring, then let. These are verbs. Means these sentences begins with verb. These sentences are called what that here imperative sentences or orders. You have to find out again such examples from this play. The next question is here. Use your imagination and the details from the play and draw a map of Andher Nagari. This question is for your expanding imagination. For the extra imagination, this question is given to you that you have to do your own by reading the information about the Andheri Nagari, what is given or mentioned in the play. By reading that, you have to do your own imagination and draw a map. It's a simple. This is that according to your own imagination. These are first 5 questions. Then next question, that means sixth question. Write what each of the following should have said after listening the complaint against him or her. In the court, we have seen here a chains of blamer, means that people, that the thief to that the daughter. In this case, many characters appeared in the court and what they explained in the court, but with the sense what should they have to say to the king, that is expected from this question. That is, first is their daughter, that merchant's daughter. What is that? After listening, that daughter said that here it is simple that this is road that anybody can go, and actually it is not my mistake, as I that year I was only walking and I was going to that goldsmith. So what is my fault? Actually it is a fault of that potters. Then potters should say, actually it is not my mistake, that mortar maker should select the pot by examining the pot. That no doubt that pot's opening, means that mouth was something larger, but it is not my mistake. It is mistake of that mortar maker, that he had selected that pot. So what is my mistake? And he should add according to the mortar that water. But it is not my mistake, it is mistake of that mortar maker. Then mortar maker should say that it is not my mistake, and it is what that here mistake of that, means he should say that it is mistake of that bricklayer, that as that here if I add that here some extra water, then bricklayer should that here he inform me, but he did not inform her. Then bricklayer said that here it is also not mistake of that, it is a mistake of that roof, that bricklayers, means roof of that building, of that wall. So that then next last it goes to merchant, and merchant said that here it is not mistake of himself there, but it is weak wall. So it is not mistake of that merchant, purposefully that merchant had not built that wall. So in this way all these characters should explain themselves in front of the king. The next question is there, what should the king have said to the thief? Now here also again, that king should not solve this complaint of thief. Actually, first that the king should blame and make that here guilty for the thief, The thief and loyal, it is not possible. It is a totally contrast that the king should that said and explained the thief that your work means illegal work, and how it is that here a thief who was breaking the wall, and in that accident he lost his life, and justice for that illegal work, it is not possible in this country, and you should also stop your illegal work, otherwise you will be given hard punishment. In this way, the king should explain the thief, but instead of that, there is a chain of blamer, means that criminals there. The next question is there, means in this next question is there, eighth question, will a thief appear in a court on his own? Why does the thief dare to do so? Actually, as that here in previous question, means in seventh question I explained that thief's work means illegal work, means it is not possible a thief ask for the justice, and in this case while breaking while at night time breaking the wall, the wall collapsed and thief lost his life, and for that he asked justice, such that here it is very funny complaint. Actually, the thief should not, means thief will not appear himself in the court, but in this case he appeared himself in the court because of only that king's very strange justice, king's very strange rule. So that I say that here it is because of only king's very strange rule, the thief dared himself to appear in the court. The next question, means it is for language study. Ninth question it is given here. Here they have given here a table, sentence, subject and verb, and here they have given 5 sentences and find out the subject and verb. It is very simple. First sentence is you are a stranger. Here you is subject, verb is are. Then second, I am a visitor here. In this sentence, I is a subject and am is verb. Then third, you is subject and have heard, it is verb. Remaining two you have to find out your own. Then last question is given here, 10th question. Read the following sentences, tick the ones in passive voice, copy them correctly. Here active and passive voice sentences are given, and here only said that only find out passive voice sentences. First is that here I have heard amazing stories. This is active voice sentence, so it is not. Then next there, I am especially impressed by the fact. This is passive sentence, because in passive sentence we can get that to be's formula, means in this sentence am is here and main verbs past participle form. Here impressed, and plus here we can get by word also. So this is passive sentence. Then third is that I am quite happy about it. It is active. Then fourth, I beg for justice. It is also active. Fifth, and my friend was instantly killed. This is passive construction, because that to be's formula was is here and main verb kill, it's a past participle killed is given here. So it is a passive construction. Then sixth, my house has been recently built. This is also passive construction, because has is there, to be's formula, been it is past participle, that perfect is explained that here, and built it is past participle. So this is passive construction sentence, and last is active sentence. In this way you have to solve this exercise in your notebook.